Imagine boosting your kidney health with just a few simple additions to your diet. Intrigued? Let's find out how. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're focusing on a vital part of our health, our kidneys. These little organs are crucial for filtering and detoxifying our bodies. Yet, they're often neglected in our daily health routines. With just a few small changes, we can make a big difference in how they function. In this segment, we'll explore 3 essential vitamins that are key to maintaining and improving your kidney health. Simple, effective, and surprisingly powerful. These vitamins are a must-know for anyone looking to boost their renal wellness. Let's start by understanding the unique role vitamins play in supporting our kidneys and why they're more than just a part of a healthy diet. Do you know why vitamins are so important for our health? Think of vitamins as your body's best friends, small but mighty. These nutrients are crucial for keeping us healthy and energized. From supporting your immune system to enhancing brain function, vitamins are involved in almost every process in our body. But it's not just about keeping you up and running. It's about fine-tuning your internal systems for optimal performance. And what about your kidneys? Why do they need specific vitamins? Your kidneys are like silent warriors in your body, constantly filtering and cleaning your blood. But to do this effectively, they need a special set of tools, certain vitamins. These aren't just any vitamins. They are specifically tuned to support kidney function, prevent damage, and even help repair kidney tissues. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into this. Armed with this knowledge about the vital role of vitamins, it's time we reveal the first essential vitamin for your kidney health. This one is easy to incorporate into your diet and has incredible benefits. Let's find out what it is. Vitamin 1. What's the first vital vitamin for your kidneys? Let's discover. The first superstar vitamin for your kidneys is none other than vitamin C. Often hailed as the go-to nutrient for immune health, vitamin C also plays a crucial role in kidney health. It helps in preventing oxidative damage, a key factor in kidney health, and supports the kidneys in their filtration and detoxification processes. But how exactly does vitamin C work its magic for your kidneys? The science behind it is fascinating and compelling. What does science say about vitamin C and kidney health? Numerous studies have highlighted the importance of vitamin C for kidneys. Research shows that vitamin C helps in reducing the risk of chronic kidney disease and the formation of kidney stones. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting the kidneys from harmful free radicals. One study even found that a higher intake of vitamin C was associated with a lower risk of developing kidney stones, particularly in men. Let's see how vitamin C, transformed John's life. Consider the story of John, who faced the challenge of recurrent kidney stones. His daily meals were low in fruits and vegetables, leading to a deficiency in vitamin C. After consulting with a nutritionist, John began to include more vitamin C-rich foods in his diet. The change was dramatic. Over the next year, John experienced a significant decrease in kidney stone occurrences, a testament to the power of vitamin C in kidney health. Now, where can you find vitamin C? Vitamin C is abundantly available in many fruits and vegetables. Think oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. It is also found in various supplements, making it easy to include in your daily diet. By incorporating these foods or a supplement, you can give your kidneys the vitamin C boost they need. Now that we've seen how vitamin C can be a game changer for your kidney health, let's move on to the second essential vitamin. This one is a hidden gem that many people overlook in their diets. Section 3. Vitamin number 2. What is the second essential vitamin for your kidneys? The next vital nutrient for your kidney health is vitamin B6. Often overshadowed by its more famous counterparts, vitamin B6 is a powerhouse for your kidney health. It plays a significant role in your protein metabolism and red blood cell production. More importantly, for our kidneys, vitamin B6 helps reduce the formation of kidney stones by managing the levels of oxalate in the body, which can crystallize and lead to the stone formation. But that's not all. The benefits of vitamin B6 go beyond just prevention. Let's dive in to what the research has to say about this incredible vitamin. The science behind vitamin B6 and kidney health. Studies have consistently shown the effectiveness of vitamin B6 in kidney health. Research indicates that a regular intake of vitamin B6 can significantly reduce the chances of stone formation in the kidneys. In one study, individuals who took the vitamin B6 supplements had a lower risk of stone formation, demonstrating its preventative potential. Let's take a look at another example. Let's take Sarah. We're going to see how vitamin B6 transformed Sarah's life. Meet Sarah, who had a history of kidney stones. Like our previous example, John, Sarah was advised to increase her intake of vitamin B6. By incorporating foods rich in this vitamin, Sarah not only reduced the reoccurrence of kidney stones, but also improved her overall kidney function, illustrating the impactful role vitamin B6 plays. Where can you get your daily dose of vitamin B6? Vitamin B6 is found in a variety of foods, including poultry, fish, potatoes, chickpeas, bananas, and fortified cereals. It's also available as a supplement. Including these vitamin B6 rich foods in your diet can be an easy step towards better kidney health. Having explored the remarkable benefits of vitamin C and B6, it's time to unveil our third and final vitamin. This one might just be the most surprising. Section 4. Vitamin number 3. Unveiling the third key vitamin. What is it? Our journey brings us to vitamin D, a vital nutrient that's often associated with bone health, but plays a crucial role in kidney health as well. Vitamin D is essential for regulating mineral balance in the body, and this includes managing calcium and phosphate levels, which are critical for your kidney function. Not just that, vitamin D is important for maintaining overall kidney health and preventing diseases related to the renal system. Vitamin D's role in kidney health is both unique and vital. Let's take a look at what the latest research reveals about this essential vitamin. Scientific insights on vitamin D and kidney health. Research has shown that vitamin D has a protective effect on the kidneys. Studies indicate that adequate levels of vitamin D can help reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease and improve renal function. In people with existing kidney issues, vitamin D has been observed to slow down the progression of the disease and improve quality of life. Here, we're going to take a look at another example. Let's see how vitamin D made a difference in Alex's life. Take the case of Alex, who was diagnosed with early-stage chronic kidney disease. By incorporating vitamin D into his treatment plan, which included dietary sources and supplements, Alex noticed a marked improvement in his kidney function tests. Wow! Showcasing how vitamin D can be a key player in managing kidney health. With a story like that, you're probably wondering, what are the sources of vitamin D? Well, I got them right here for you. Vitamin D can be found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, egg yolks, cheese, and fortified foods like milk and cereal. Sun exposure is also a great way to get vitamin D. However, for many, supplements might be necessary to reach the recommended levels, especially in areas with limited sunlight. With vitamin C, B6, and now D, we've covered 3 incredible vitamins for your kidney health. Next, let's explore some practical tips on how to integrate these vitamins into your daily life and other vital kidney health tips. Incorporating these vitamins into your daily life is simpler than you think. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins in your diet. For vitamin C, add citrus fruits and bell peppers to your meals. For vitamin B6, don't forget bananas and chickpeas. And for vitamin D, consider fatty fish and fortified dairy products. Remember, a balanced diet often provides sufficient amount of these vitamins. Now, of course, it's always too much of a good thing. These are some important warnings to keep in mind. While these vitamins are essential, it's important to avoid overdoing it. Excessive intake of vitamins, especially through supplements, can have adverse effects. For instance, too much vitamin C can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, and excess vitamin D might result in calcium buildup, harming your kidneys. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen. Beyond vitamins, other kidney health tips. Besides vitamins, there are other ways to support your kidney health. Staying well hydrated is key. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Also, reduce your salt intake to help your kidneys function more efficiently. Regular exercise and maintaining a healthy weight also contribute significantly to kidney health. And of course, avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. With these practical tips and a focus on the right vitamins, you are well on your way to supporting your kidney health. Let's wrap up with a quick recap from what we've learned today. In summary, vitamin B6, C, and D are all crucial for your kidney health, preventing stones, managing oxalate levels, and enhancing overall renal function. Integrating these into your diet can significantly boost your kidney well-being. Take this knowledge and act on it. Small dietary changes can make a big difference in supporting your kidneys. Remember, caring for your kidneys is a step towards a healthier, fuller life. Start this journey today and embrace the benefits for years to come. Before you start this journey, the information presented on this channel is for general guidance only. For personalized medical advice, please consult with your healthcare provider to ensure the best course of action for your specific needs. And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.